The 2023 Suzuki V-Strom 1050DE is the Japanese factory's fourth-generation V-Strom. It has the familiar water-cooled 1037cc V-twin platform, which, in concept at least, can be dated back to Suzuki TL1000S from the late 1990s, and produces precisely the same peak power and torque of 106 bhp and 73.7 pound-foot of torque, which is the same as the old model, but the changes elsewhere are significant. The DE chassis received a major transformation with the introduction of a 21-inch, steel-spoked and alloy rim, front wheel, a first for the V-Strom. The headstock is new, the chassis geometry is more relaxed for dirt riding, with increased rake, a longer wheelbase, longer travel suspension, more ground clearance, and wider bars. Its dirt intentions are clear.